Hey guys, it's Caitlin. Today we are making my super fluffy homemade pancakes. If you'd like to see more easy and delicious recipes like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new videos every week. Also, hit that like button because it helps our channel grow. This recipe makes around 12 4-inch wide pancakes. To make this delicious breakfast treat, we're going to start with our wet ingredients. We're going to add 2 large room temperature eggs to a large bowl. To that bowl, we're also going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and 2 tablespoons of melted butter or plant-based butter. Just make sure the butter has cooled and is no longer hot, or it will cook the eggs. Then pour in 1.5 cups of warm or room temperature milk. If you're dairy-free like me, you can use almond milk or your favorite nut milk. Whisk these ingredients together until well combined and set aside while we gather our dry ingredients. In a separate large bowl, we're going to measure out 2 cups or 240 grams of flour. To make these gluten-free, all you have to do is use this flour. It's my favorite. Now, when it comes to measuring out your flour, I suggest using a scale for the most accurate results. Using measuring cups typically packs too much flour in, giving you a really dense, dry cake. So if you don't have a scale, you can sprinkle the flour into a measuring cup like this and then level it off. To that same bowl, we're going to add 1/4 cup or 50 grams of granulated sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. Whisk the dry ingredients together. Now we're going to slowly add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients, folding the ingredients together with a spatula. This is where you'll add your favorite toppings like fruit, nuts, cinnamon, chocolate chips. But for me, I'm going to add some fresh vanilla bean. I'm going to cut this fresh vanilla bean in half and using a knife, scrape out the inside of the pod. Add the vanilla to the batter and mix. Remember, pancake batter should be lumpy. For the final step, before we make our pancakes, we're going to turn our heat up to medium or 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While we're letting the pan heat up, we're going to let the pancake batter rest for about 20 minutes so it can thicken and fluff up. This step really makes a difference, so don't skip it. Once the batter has thickened, we're going to lightly oil our cooking surface and then wipe off the excess oil. Then begin cooking your pancakes one by one, making sure not to overcrowd your pan. Like I said, these pancakes are super thick and fluffy, so they're going to need a little more time to cook through. Make sure to flip the pancakes once the top starts bubbling. Serve warm with your favorite toppings and enjoy. And there you go, my easy, fluffy, homemade pancakes. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, hit that like button and let me know in the comments below what your New Year's resolution is. Also, check out more videos like this over here and subscribe to my channel for new videos every week. I love you and I will see you next time.